Imagine a 500,000-pound transformer carefully loaded onto a modular trailer, ready to traverse winding mountain roads in Norway. Or picture a 1,000-ton gas turbine being transported inch by inch with precision engineering through urban streets. These incredible feats aren't just about brute strength, they're about advanced technology, meticulous planning, and the unparalleled skill of professional operators. Welcome to Forestry Tech, where we dive into the fascinating world of heavy machinery, advanced engineering, and groundbreaking transportation technology. In this video, we'll explore how some of the heaviest, largest, and most complex loads are transported across rugged terrains, busy highways, and even delicate infrastructure, all while showcasing the cutting-edge technology and expertise that make it possible. Let's start with the stars of the show. Massive industrial components like transformers, wind turbine blades, and steel cables. Each piece is not only enormous, but also critically important to global industries. For instance, that transformer you see, it weighs around 240 tons, the equivalent of nearly 40 African elephants. Transporting it requires a modular hydraulic trailer, capable of distributing the weight evenly to avoid damaging roads or bridges. These trailers are marvels in themselves, equipped with hundreds of wheels that can swivel independently. This feature allows operators to maneuver through narrow streets or sharp turns without a hitch. But it's not just the trailers doing the heavy lifting. The technology behind these operations is equally impressive. Let's talk about self-propelled modular transporters, or SPMTs. These are robotic multi-axle platforms that can rotate in place, climb gradients, and even sync up with other SPMTs for transporting loads weighing thousands of tons. One example, a 4,440-meter steel cable recently transported for a major rail project. Engineers had to calculate every turn and incline to ensure it arrived in perfect condition. The operation used advanced GPS systems and real-time data to adjust for variables like weather and road conditions. Now, Let's take a moment to appreciate the challenges posed by diverse terrains. In this industry, no two jobs are ever the same. One day, operators are navigating hairpin curves in the Alps, and the next, they're crossing arid deserts or dense urban environments. For example, moving wind turbine blades each 1/250 feet long through narrow mountain roads requires a precise combination of planning and ingenuity. Drivers use extendable trailers with steerable rear axles, allowing them to pivot the blade as they navigate tight corners. In another operation, a fleet of specialized trucks was used to haul a gas turbine over a bridge that had been reinforced specifically for the job. Every inch was monitored by engineers, with hydraulic jacks standing by to redistribute weight if needed. Behind every successful transport operation are the professionals who make it happen. These drivers and engineers undergo rigorous training to handle such complex equipment and challenging conditions. It's not just about knowing how to drive, it's about understanding physics, engineering, and risk management. Picture this: a driver steering a convoy carrying a 1,000 ton load through icy roads. Every move is calculated, every turn pre-planned. Their expertise ensures that not only does the cargo reach its destination, but it does so safely, without incident. Scene transition, challenges and risks. Of course, not every journey is smooth sailing. Unexpected obstacles like sudden weather changes, equipment malfunctions, or structural issues can create high-stakes situations. In one instance, a modular trailer carrying a massive crane tipped over on a sharp bend. Thanks to quick thinking and backup equipment, the load was stabilized, and the mission continued. This industry doesn't just rely on equipment, it relies on teamwork. Behind every successful transport operation are the professionals who make it happen. These drivers and engineers undergo rigorous training to handle such complex equipment and challenging conditions. It's not just about knowing how to drive, it's about understanding physics, engineering, and risk management. Picture this: a driver steering a convoy carrying a 1,000 ton load through icy roads. Safety isn't just a priority in heavy haul transportation, it's the foundation of every operation. Before any load hits the road, extensive risk assessments and planning sessions are conducted. Engineers analyze routes, identify potential hazards, and develop contingency plans for every possible scenario. For example, transporting a 240-ton transformer over a fragile bridge isn't as simple as rolling across. The team must calculate the bridge's load capacity, reinforce its structure if necessary, and use specialized hydraulic jacks to redistribute weight. Every precaution is taken to ensure the safety of the cargo, the crew, and the surrounding environment. Operation is a story of precision, determination, and innovation. It's not just about protecting the load, It's about ensuring that everyone involved, drivers, engineers, and even bystanders, makes it through the process safely. Let's talk about mining, one of the most demanding industries for heavy machinery. These massive excavators and loaders are built to move thousands of tons of earth every single day. The scale is mind-blowing. Just think about each bucket of a mining excavator can hold up to 60 cubic yards of material. That's equivalent to 4,000 gallons of dirt in one scoop. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Operating these machines in such harsh environments requires precise planning and constant vigilance. One slip could mean not just lost productivity, but also serious risks to safety. In this industry, adaptability and teamwork are just as important as skill. Every member of the crew plays a critical role in managing risks and responding to unexpected challenges. These moments serve as a reminder of the immense responsibility that comes with transporting such massive load sand, the dedication of the people who make it happen. At Forestry Tech, we're passionate about showcasing the ingenuity and skill behind the machines that shape our world. If you're as fascinated by this industry as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible content. At Forestry Tech, we're passionate about showcasing the ingenuity and skill behind the machines that shape our world. If you're as fascinated by this industry as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible content.